Today we're pressing the easy button on our YouTube career. A lot of you have expressed interest in getting started with YouTube, but you're just unsure where to go, how to get started, how does this work. So today I'm gonna do a complete breakdown of what it looks like. So we're gonna go step by step. There's a few modules that we're gonna cover today that's gonna start from creating a channel all the way to uploading. Now this entire thing is broken down, so make sure that you check out the link down below where I have the entire spreadsheet listed out. Every point that we're gonna cover is listed down below, so make sure that you don't miss that. But with that being said, let's get going. All right, so step number one is creating your YouTube channel. That sounds pretty obvious, but we need to get that going. Now, if you need instruction on how to actually create the YouTube channel, I have that linked somewhere on the screen right now or in the description down below. So you're gonna see exactly how to create your YouTube channel. Next, you need to optimize your YouTube channel. You need to be found. This is a great opportunity for you to showcase that you are active on YouTube. Very similar to creating your website, you have a professional image to maintain. That's the same thing with your YouTube channel. So make sure that you optimize as such. You want to update your channel banner. So the channel banner is what you see at the top of your YouTube channel. It gives you an opportunity. Think of it like a billboard. It gives you an opportunity to showcase what you do, where you do it, and how people can get a hold of you and what people can expect from your YouTube channel. You want to complete your YouTube About section. This YouTube About section is incredibly important because people want to know what you do and also how they can get a hold of you in the event they like what you are pushing, the message that you're sharing. So make sure that you fill out your About section. Now, once you've created your YouTube channel and you've optimized it, now is the time to invite people to subscribe to the channel. Now, make sure that you use our little hack, and I'll make sure that I link a video on this screen right here as well, showing you how to get people to auto subscribe to your YouTube channel. So make sure to check that out. Now, that's just the setup. That is you getting started with your YouTube channel. Some of you already have a YouTube channel, so fantastic, amazing. There's just some optimization that you need to do. Some of you may not have a YouTube channel, so this, what we just covered, is gonna get you from point A to, let's just say, point D, if you will. We still need to create videos and upload them, so that's the next module. And now that your channel's created, it's time to create a video. So the first thing that you need to do is select a topic on what you want the video to be around. So if you are looking for buyers, make videos, content that's going to attract buyers. If you're looking for sellers, well, make content, make videos that are going to attract sellers. Now, once you have your topic, it's time to refine the video title. You need to make the title something catchy and something searchable. You want a reason for somebody to click on your video. You want to create intrigue in order for you to start getting some views. Now, once you have an idea of what the title is going to be, it's time to draft out the points you want to cover in the video. You can script out the entire video if you so choose, or drafting some points, giving you a little guideline is all you're gonna need. It just depends on you and your comfort level. Don't feel that you have to create an entire script, but also don't feel like you have to wing everything off the cuff. That is not how it works. Once you have the points that you want to cover, it is time to record. Now you can record all of your videos on your phone if you so choose, but you can also then invest in a video camera. It really comes down to you. You don't need to invest in a $1,000 camera. You can record all of your content from your phone alone, and it's gonna work incredibly well. Once you have recorded the video, it is time to edit the video. You can use the free software that your computer already comes with, or if you're using a Mac, go ahead and go with the Final Cut Pro, or if you're using a PC, Premiere is going to do just fine. Now, what we just covered was the video making process. This gives you an idea of what needs to happen in order for you to create a video that you can now upload onto YouTube. And that's the next section that we're covering. Now, once you have your video ready to go, it's time to upload it to YouTube. Now, make sure that the video file is already named what you want it to be. And also remember, it needs to be catchy, it needs to be searchable, it needs to create a reason for somebody to click on your video. So that's what you're gonna upload to YouTube. Once the video is uploading to YouTube, it's gonna take several minutes depending on the length of the video and also the speed of your internet. You wanna take this opportunity to fill out the description with your contact information and link any landing pages, also known as call to actions, in your description, because people are gonna watch your videos and are going to look for the call to action that you give somebody. So whenever you are in the video, so whenever you recorded the video, make sure that you invite people down to the description where they can claim a list of homes, where they can claim a calculator, where they can claim whatever it is that you're offering them. Now again, as your video is uploading and processing through YouTube, you want to take the opportunity to label the video with tags that describe the video. So you have 500 characters to fill up with every single video. So tags are really describing what is going on in the video itself. In the past, this used to be a little bit more important than it is today, but it's still important that you do it because any little thing helps here on YouTube. Now again, as you're optimizing your upload, your video, make sure that you use a custom thumbnail. Do not use the default thumbnail that they give you. Either design it yourself or farm it out. Have somebody create a custom thumbnail that piques curiosity. Now with every video that you upload, you have what's called an end screen. And in the end screen, it takes the last several seconds of the video and gives you the opportunity to link other videos, to link another YouTube channel, to link to an external link. This is an opportunity for you to drive traffic to wherever you want it. So make sure that you take that opportunity. And also with every video, you have the opportunity of linking 5 cards on every single video. This means that throughout the video, you can invite the viewers to check out another video or check out an external link that you point to within the video so you can get some additional traffic to other videos. And if you haven't done so already, create playlists and place your videos within playlists. This is going to help you stay organized. This is going to help you from an SEO perspective. And this is going to help you get more views because it creates the bingeable effect, meaning the same thing that Netflix does with you, where you go to that next video, to the next episode, to the next series. You are providing that opportunity with your YouTube channel. And then lastly, you schedule your video to be published. You can publish the video immediately, or you can schedule it to go live a few hours, a few days after the fact that you upload it. So those are the steps that you need to take in order to get started with YouTube. We've gone over how to create your YouTube channel. We've talked about the video making process, and then we also looked at optimizing the video when you upload it. The last step is for you to share your videos absolutely everywhere. Draw attention to your channel, draw attention to your video so you can start driving some views. Now I understand we went incredibly fast today, but I just wanted to share absolutely everything that I could in sequential order so you didn't miss a beat. In the event that you want a more slowed down version of this with an actual screen share where I take every single bullet point that we just covered and I screen share exactly how to do it, then make sure to check out the link down below. It's called the YouTube Jumpstart and you don't want to miss it.